today's dream reel. Today we're in Brazil. We were walking in the mall and look what I found. It's an astronaut speed push game machine. So let's get started. And also there's blue, pink, and white. And it looks like we got pink. Yep, and we did. Look at that. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to play it. So, behind here there's a button. And then the pops come up. And you click this power button. So you click this and push the back. And there's multiple levels. And then, I just realized this, so if you want to skip a level, you can just do this. I'm in level 6. But when I click something wrong or it takes forever, I'm going to start all over again. So, I think this really cool fidget is really cool. And you can get multiple colors, just like I said, blue, pink, and white. So, you can turn it off and just play with it like this. And just push it back. Keep on playing. And I don't know what this button does, but I know what these two do. So let's test this button out. It's saying different types of modes, so that's cool. How would you like this fidget? What would you rate it? And if you have this fidget or you like my videos, you should comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.